Yo, what up YouTube? ClutchX Cubs fan here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a Tekkit server on Mac so that you and your friends can play with each other. Alright, let's get started. First things first, you're going to want to go to the Technic Pack website and download the Tekkit server 3.1.2. Alright, I've already downloaded that, so I'm not going to do it again. And I have it right here on my desktop, so let's open that up. Alright, so this is what you get in it. And the main thing is getting that tekkit.jar to run. And in order for that to run is we need a start.command. So let's make that. So you're going to want to open up text edit. And before you do anything, go to format, make plain text, or else it won't work. And then in there, we're going to type this thing that I already have written down. And this is going to tell the server how much RAM you want to put in it while it's running. So for me, I have 2, and it has to be the same in both. So I have 2 gigs of RAM, and you can change it to whatever you want depending on how much RAM your computer has. And then this has to be tekkit.jar because we want to run the tekkit.jar, so it has to be matching in the start.command. So we're gonna file, save as, and we're going to call this start.command, and we'll save it on our desktop. Alright, save, and then I can close that. Alright, and then we're going to open up terminal, and we're going to type chmod a plus x and then space. Gotta make sure you put that space in there or else it will not work. And then you're gonna drag your start.command into your terminal window and hit enter. And then that's all you have to do in there. So you can quit out of terminal, and then you're gonna drag your start.command that's on your desktop into your server folder. And before you start that up, you gotta make sure that you take out nether ores, else this will not work. Because for some reason it makes the server really buggy and it will not run. So now that we've done that, we can do the start.command and get the server going. And what this is gonna do, it's gonna make the server, make the worlds, spawn everything, and it's gonna put a bunch of files in here. And you see that you're going to get a plugins folder, so you can go to the bucket dev and search your plugins in there. But an important thing for a server is having the IP, and in order to find your IP, you're going to go to system preferences and then network, and then your IP will be right there. And then, but that will only work locally. So if you have friends that you want to have play on that server, you have to find your public IP. And I use this website called IP Chicken, and it gives you your current public IP address. So you can give that to your friends, and then they can play with you on your server. Alright, let's see, is the server created? Is it done? Alright, done, it's loaded. Alright, so let's open up Tekkit. And there's my IP, and there's my server. And just to show you that everything's working right, we'll log in. It's taking a while. Man, it's taking a long time. Alright, there we go. And see, this is your server. It's a little laggy for me because I'm running a screen recording system, so that's why it's pretty laggy. But if you have a better computer with more RAM, you can dedicate more RAM to it, which will make the server faster and less laggy and have more memory. So that's basically it. So thanks for watching, and I hope that this was helpful, and happy crafting.